Whether you're heading out for a long journey or a short excursion, safety and preparation are key. This is where the Hiker First Aid Kit comes into play. Designed by our in-house specialists, this ultra-light and portable kit is tailored for the outdoor environment and loaded with high-quality medical-grade products. From spider or snake bites to cuts or broken bones, this small but mighty kit has all the essentials you need right at your fingertips. The Hiker First Aid Kit isn't just practical, it's also stylish and convenient. Thanks to its hard-wearing material, portable ziplock, and waist belt, it's ready to go wherever adventure leads you. So, for your next hiking trip, make every adventure safe and unforgettable with the Hiker First Aid Kit, your perfect companion for all outdoor activities. Click here to find out more about what comes in every Hiker First Aid Kit. Stay safe and enjoy the adventure. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy exploring!